Welcome back to this video. If you use MTN line and you want to transfer airtime from one MTN line to another MTN line, but you find it difficult to do it, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to transfer or share airtime from MTN line to another MTN line without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone dialer. I'm going to click on here, open up my phone dialer. Then what you need to do is to simply dial this code *321#, then hit send. And this is going to pump up. Now, welcome to Airtime and Data Transfer Gift Service. Please select the service to transfer. So I'm going to click on here. Since you are transfer airtime, simply click on number 1 and hit send. Then you see options right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on 1 right here, transfer airtime. So click on here and type in 1 and hit on send. Then right here, enter the receiver phone number. So you can click on here and enter the person that you want to transfer the airtime to. Enter their phone number right here. So once you enter their phone number, hit on send, and you'll be asked to enter the amount that you want to send to them. Confirm the amount and you are done. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply share or transfer airtime from one MTN to another MTN. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.